That is something else.
Scary, yeah.
We get them like that around here, too.
We can, for sure. We've seen even a few thunderstorms developing out near Dallas this evening that we're keeping an eye on. Some strong ones there. A live look at our Viper radar right now shows those storms. Severe thunderstorm watch. Those are the boxes lit up, and the counties lit up in yellow right now, is in effect through 10 p.m. for most of the areas from Dallas to Abilene, a little bit further north down to San Angelo as well. Some of these storms report having golf ball size hail, baseball size hail even saw at one point, and a few of them even with a little circulation tornado warning storm north of Dallas for the time being. None of that, though, quite far south into our area. For right now, we are quiet across central Texas, including even our far western hill country counties, but we're going to be watching closely through the rest of the evening hours during the peak heating of the day, see if more storms develop back to the south and west. If they do, a few of those could work their way east overnight into our western hill country counties. For the time being, though, things are pretty quiet. So here's your planning forecast through 10 p.m. tonight. Right now, 90 degrees in the Austin area. By 8 p.m., we'll drop to about 85 degrees. Still some of that cloud cover on and off through the evening hours, and then we'll start to see those clouds increasing. By 10 p.m., we'll dip down right around 80 degrees. Then, very warm night ahead of us. Right now, temperatures in the 90s in the hill country, including Llano, 90 degrees there. Upper 80s in places like Burnett, Lakeway, San Marcos. Upper 80s all along our eastern counties with a few 90s sprinkle in, including Georgetown as well. Partly clear, 90 degrees out at Camp Mabry, mostly cloudy, 89 at the airport, and our winds have been breezy all day long today. 23-mile-an-hour winds out of the airport currently. Most of us between 10 20 miles an hour, and they'll stay that way overnight tonight. Now here's our setup. We have a stationary frontal boundary right over North Texas. That's where those storms are popping up right now, as that's provided the focus to work with some of that moisture and energy. A dry line out to our west, and so if these storms continue to form out to the west along this front through the rest of the evening, a few of them, as they work their way east, could hit our very far western hill country counties. Maybe a few of them even on the stronger side, but it's something we'll watch carefully. Once the sun goes down, they'll lose a lot of their strength pretty quickly. So our future clouds and radar showing by 11 p.m. most of the wet weather has decreased across the area. By early tomorrow morning, we're going to start off your Easter Sunday with lots of cloud cover, very much of what we've seen the past couple of days. And then by the afternoon, our situation shapes up that we have that front still set across the northern half of the state, and a dry line just out to our west could spark a few storms late in the evening. And then those will continue through the early morning hours on your Monday as well. Now Monday, it looks like we're going to see possibility for a few more storms across our region, as that dry line that's set up out to our west on Sunday will move a little bit further to the east. So we'll talk about scattered showers and thunderstorms. Only about a 20% chance though, so not everybody will see some of that wet weather. Now tonight, here's what we can expect. Temperatures dipping only into the low 70s. For tomorrow, it's going to be another hot afternoon, especially once the morning cloud covers break up a little bit. So right around 90 degrees for most of us. In Austin tonight, 73 and breezy, 91 on your Easter Sunday. Breezy as well with winds out of the south. And that 7-day forecast shows there's our small chances for rain. That 20% on your Easter Sunday is late Sunday into early Monday. And Monday and Tuesday, again, small chances as we have a cold front finally rolling through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, bringing us slightly cooler conditions.